Hey, what's up guys? It's Clayton here at Zappos.com, and today we're checking out the Santa Cruz Lashed 18 from 32. These dope skate-inspired boots feature the durable synthetic and comboed with the textile upper, the all-over Santa Cruz graphics to really give you that eye-catching look. Got the pops of red in the classic lace-up system to really lock it down, and inside we've got the internal lockdown system so you make sure you get that perfect fit. Got the Team Fit liner system construction with the dual density Intuition foam. It's got heat molding properties, so it's really going to give you that customized fit. And if you need a little bit more cushion, we've got the heel mold kit to add for the perfect custom feel. We've got that classic looking midsole resembling your favorite sneakers and the extra protective toe box to make sure you're supported. It's going to give you easy in and out with that pull tab at the back and that little drop down piece of textile there. It makes for an easy in and out. You've got the articulated cuff, which eliminates shell distortion when you're locked into your board. And of course, down inside, we got that team footbed for maximum underfoot support and cushioning. And on the bottom, we got the durable STI Evolution foam outsole, which provides lightweight cushioning, reliable traction, and lots of shock absorption. So you'll be cruising, get it, Santa Cruz, down the mountain this winter in these dope boots from 32.